What's up guys, it's me Gmail. So now I'm gonna play some 4K video. Okay, let me get out from the gallery and then play some videos. Okay, where's this one? This one is a 4K video. Let me play. Okay, I mean it's look very beautiful, to be honest with you. Wow, I'm happy. Literally I'm happy. I'm very much happy. And then let me play another video which is like normal 1080p. Maybe something like, yeah, I forgot, like this. This is awesome. This is like regular 1080p video, but I wanna play some more 4K videos from the OTG. Yes, now it's gonna get better, isn't it? Using the OTG flash drive. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, mobile test videos. Okay, real 4K. Let me play this one. Yeah, it's look beautiful, as you can see. It can easily play. Everything looks so beautiful on this screen. Wow, wow. So yeah, it can easily handle the 4K videos. Let me play something like, come on. Okay, let me play something like, not this one. I want to play something cooler. Cooler. Not good. Yeah, this one. This one good. Again, this look really beautiful, to be honest with you. This is like the African song, to be honest with you. I literally love it. Yeah. It can easily, handle the 4K video with absolutely no problem. I literally love it. At the end of the day, I will just say this one. Let me play this one. I love watching videos, to be honest with you. This one. Yeah. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي